Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Leah Halton filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This one. This is the effect. Suppose you are not finding the filter like this, then tap on this search button. And here search for Leah Halton. Okay, the first one. This is the effect. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this from the effect gallery. What you can do, go to For You page and here search for Leah Halton filter. Okay, here you will see many videos with this effect. Just on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this also from the For You page. What you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now here tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.